discuss about the Excel menu system. Here you can see that the home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view. This is called the menu bar. So under the menu bar you can see many icons, like under home you can see many icons. In each and every icon has a specific work to do. So this is called the menu bar, like homes, insert, page. Under menu bar you will get some icons, and under each menu you will have specific icons for specific work. Like in page layout there are icons for margins, orientation, size, print, and this data menu has some icons for specific works. By clicking on each icon you will get specific results. So here is the menu bar and icons in the total menu system. The total Excel menu system is called the ribbon. Here from home to icons, this part is called the ribbon. So in this lecture we have learned that about the menu bar, icons, and the ribbon.